Hi everybody and welcome to my home. Today I am going to be putting up my nativity set. I am going to be upgrading some of the pictures and the frame or the mirror and things behind, and I also am excited to show you the nativity set from my childhood. So stay tuned.
Hi everybody, it's Julie and we're in my living room and I have taken down Thanksgiving. So you see all the candles are missing. The Thankful, Grateful, Blessed had got moved from above that and on top of that mirror. So I am going to be redoing, this is what we consider our mantle. We are in the market for a new TV and it will go up on the wall. I was gonna wait, but I don't know when that's gonna happen, so we're gonna go ahead and do this today. I've already traded out my shabby chic coat hanger for a traditional one in darker wood. So here we go. Stay tuned. Okay, so here we are. I have grabbed a mirror from the bathroom and I'm going to be redoing that as well, so why not, right? But I am going to replace the octagon mirror with this tag style mirror. Well, actually the first thing I need to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the painter's tape around the outside just so that I have less mess, hopefully. So we'll go ahead and speed through this. Okay, so I have this really old paint, cream coat by Delta. It's burnt umber, probably one of the most popular colors from back in the day. And I'm just gonna basically dry brush it on. I've already tried some down here to make sure I like the color. And I just wanna get this wood to be a darker brown, but I still want it to look like wood. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and paint this, and we'll go ahead and speed that up. Don't think I need to bore you with that. Okay, I am very happy with the way that is looking. Hopefully, I am a very messy painter. Hopefully I don't too much of a mess to clean up. Just pull this up. Okay, not too shabby. I will be cleaning it and then I will be hanging it over my mantle, basically. So there it is, the mirror. I've added it to the top and oh, you just missed Lucy. Okay, so I love it, love the dark wood. And now on to the next thing. I like the dark wood so much, I'm changing it on our family pictures. We're a blended family, and it just happens that these two pictures of our two parts of our family were taken at the same time. So I've added lights and greenery, and it looks like it might have stopped raining and I can go pick up a couple of the boxes and be able to bring out the nativity set that is going to go on that area. I've picked up the boxes. I have them set up so their boxes are different than any others. They package the same exact way every year, pretty much, and makes it easy to find them and get them set up. If that was all I was able to do at Christmas time, I would be able to find my nativity set. So let's get them out of the box. The Holy Family. So here it is. And I will be adding some more to it. But the nativity set is up. And on this side we have the shepherd, the angels that were my mom's, the little shepherd, the innkeeper, and the cows. And I've added some of those trees from Dollar Tree just because I thought they were kind of cool. And some holly. I have these beautiful glass poinsettias. I have 4 of them, and I put them with it every year. And then up here, those are ornaments that were Tom's parents. So there are angels, and they are also the white bisque porcelain, so they go with this. And we have the donkey, and we have one of the angels that was in my mom's house. We have Gabriel announcing the birth. And here, over here, we have the Holy Family. Those 2 cherubs that are playing music, those I've had since before my children were born. There's a couple more of those poinsettias. Here we have what they call the standing angel. Another one of those angels. Here's another little cherub. My sister gave me that, so it's very, very special to me. And you see all the red votives. They're all different, and I think they're really cool. So down here we have the kings. There's one. This one I know is Caspar. And there he is, the third one. And I added, I was like, how are my kings going to get there if they don't have camels? So the set was to have 1 camel, and I got 2 more, so I'd have 3 camels. And then down here we have these were given to my husband 1 year from one of his brothers. And this is frankincense. And this is myrrh. And this is gold. So it's really kind of cool. And he was in the Middle East, and actually, I don't know if they're fragranced with those or what, but they really do have frankincense and myrrh and gold. And so that is my nativity set. And I have had it. I purchased the original, the Holy Family, when I sold Avon. This is an Avon set that I got over several years. And then the little tiny angels are all other pieces. And then the garden angels back there. That one was from, like I said, something that I had bought my mom. And I chose this nativity set because of a nativity set that I had, or that my mom had when I was a little girl. And I'll show you that next. So this is a nativity set that I remember from when I was a little girl. So this nativity set is over 50 years old, and it's very special to me, and it is the reason that I collected all of that over the years. And since Jesus is the reason for this season, this is the first thing that I set up every year. I hope you enjoyed this little video of setting up my nativity set. And like I said, I will be adding more things here, but it's still raining and all I've got so far in the house is the nativity set. So find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day and thanks for being here. Bye-bye.